Welcome to Nuraghe, the beating heart of Nuragic, Sardinia, and a UNESCO World Heritage. I'm Claudia of Genna Tours, and today we're going to show you how the impossible became immortal.
Here, in the heart of Sardinia, a stone palace stands that has defied time for over 3,000 years. Nuraghe isn't just a Nuraghe. It's an imposing fortress, a center of power, and above all, a hub of culture, commerce, and sharing.
Look at these walls. 60 feet high, massive boulders fitted together without a drop of mortar. Every stone is a promise of a civilization that knew how to build for eternity.
Entering the earth of the tower, it's like traveling through time. The air becomes fresh, the silence thickens. Observe the perfection of the structure above us. Each stone is fitted with age-old wisdom. Here, within these walls, the fate of the tribes was decided. With Genna Tours, we don't just visit a ruin. We relive the echoes of a proud and sophisticated civilization. But Barumini holds one last surprise. Beneath the floor of Casa Zapata, a second Nuraghe has been discovered.
Barumini is an essential destination for anyone wishing to truly understand the greatness of the Nuragic civilization. If you're looking for a deeper, more authentic experience, join Genna Tours for an in-depth visit to Nuraghe, an unforgettable journey through history, beauty, and discovery.